Hi, I'm Ray and this is Gardening Online, and we've got storm outside, so I'm in the polytunnel and I'm finding a few little jobs to do. But this is my lupin, and this is one that I've saved from seeds last year, and we grew in a pot, and although it's not done that great, it has actually produced some flowers and some weeds, and now the flowers have died off. Now we can collect some seed pods from the flowers. This is my second lupin and it's looking a bit worse for wear, but this too also has some seed pods. So I'm going to show you how we collect them. So my main lupin has died over this summer, and that was the mother plant of these smaller ones. These have just been left in the pot, and the pot is probably far too small and not been watered very much at all with this hot weather that we've had. But as we can see, we have had some flowers, so it's great to preserve the plant for further sowings. So this was a plant, a flower that's grown, and as you can see, some of these have left some seeds and they've already been scattered, but that's okay because they can scatter and regrow. We can see on the bottom of this lupin we've got many more new flowers, so a water and maybe a repot would be a good idea. But at the moment we're going to save some of these seeds. So if we look, we can see the pods, and if we squeeze you can feel the seeds are in the pod. And what we're going to do, we're going to get our shears and we're going to go down towards the bottom of the old flower head, and we're going to take a snip. And here we can already see new leaves forming. So this is the old seed pod, and we can collect these and we're going to put them on our tray. So I'm going to do the same procedure. This is the seed, and we're going to follow the stem down and we're going to cut it, and that's our seed head. And also on this plant we can see there's still some growth, and we can cut away some of these old leaves, and we're going to find the seed pod and we're going to give it a cut just like so. Some nice healthy seeds in there. So in the natural habitat, the seed pods dry and then they open, and then the seeds just fall out and scatter. So if we do this in time, we can actually get to save a few of the seeds. So they're quite crispy now, and all we need to do is just break open. And there we go. 1, 2, 3 seeds. We can go onto this one, take off a section, break it open, And there we go. 3 seeds in that one. So we can just go all through these pods, collecting up the seeds. And don't forget to make a label. So how many seeds in this one? There's quite a few in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mark them that this is the pink and white variety. And also check out my other videos of how to deadhead lupins. And also how to grow lupins from seeds. So this is a great job to do while it's blowing a gale outside. Just 1 seed in that one, but it's all okay. We're getting a few together now. It's a great way of saving money and preserving the seeds. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, and start saving some seeds. Let me know in the comments if you've grown any lupins, and what colour lupins have you grown, and have you had any good success. So thank you very much, cheers for now.